are pleased to show you the 2018 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, power windows, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.